Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Ankita Narula, a digital marketing expert. और आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं दो और इंस्टीट्यूट्स के बारे में who are offering digital marketing course. So before I go ahead and review two institutes who offer digital marketing course, पहले ये समझते हैं कि क्या important criteria हैं या क्या parameters हैं which you should be keeping in mind before you decide an institute to opt for a digital marketing course. So सबसे पहले कुछ pointers I have listed down here as you can see on my screen. First is the duration of the course. तो जब भी आप कोई नया skill सीखते हो, if you're a beginner or if you're already into the industry and you want to upskill yourself, so it is very necessary to first decide upon the duration of the course. Is the course that is being offered short term, long term, for a few months, 1 year? कितना time आप dedicate करना चाहते हो to learn the new skill? Then what is the level of the course being offered? Is it basic? Is it advanced? Are they only doing the concept knowledge and hands on जो कि हर कोर्स का हर इंस्टीट्यूट के कोर्स का मॉड्यूल होता है, या are they also offering you anything different which is like according to the recent trends या जो recent requirement है इंडस्ट्री की, like AI, automation and all these things. Then placement assistance provided or not, also placement assistance का कितना गारंटी रेट है, कितना सक्सेस रेट है, वो सब आपको चेक करना चाहिए. Then what are the job opportunities after completing the course? कैसे job roles आपको मिल सकते हैं after you are done with the course? Then what is the expected starting salary as per the institute? वो क्या commit करते हैं? That as a beginner आप कहाँ से अपनी salary start कर सकते हो when you get into this industry? Then fee structure क्या है, if you is it refundable, is it non refundable, EMI option है नहीं है, how are you going to pay? Also if you do not like the course of, or if you feel that this is not the right fit for you कि आपको refund मिलेगा या नहीं, so checking on the policies is always a good idea. Then is there an availability of the course brochure or not? Course brochure always helps you to understand कि इंस्टीट्यूट क्या क्या करिकुलम, क्या क्या मॉड्यूल्स ऑफर करेंगे, क्या टूल सिखाएंगे, व्हाट आर गोइंग टू बी द डिटेल्स अबाउट फी, सीएमएन, सब कुछ कोर्स ब्रोशर में लिखा होता है. सो बेसिकली इट इज द ट्रांसपेरेंसी from the institute side that they are giving you the complete knowledge for everything. So brochure available है कि नहीं, and then what all tools are they going to teach you, because it's a skill based course, so tools बहुत जरूरी है. So what all tools will be covered, and सिर्फ basic tools किए जा रहे हैं या advanced level tools भी सिखाए जा रहे हैं. So with this I move ahead to review two institutes who are offering digital marketing course. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं IIM Skills की. As you can see, I am here on the IIM Skills website, and I can see that they are offering online digital marketing course with 100% placement assistance and short term, long term दोनों courses हैं इनके पास. So 3 to 7 months is an average time to complete courses by digital marketing. I think with different levels होंगे because they are saying short term and long term. As we move ahead on the website, we will see, and they are giving a short paid internships, which is a प्लस पॉइंट फॉर बिगिनर्स, स्पेशली जो बिगिनर्स हैं या फ्रेशर्स हैं जिन्होंने कभी काम नहीं किया है, कभी जॉब नहीं की है. So this is an added advantage for them. They get to learn and they also get paid for it. So as we move ahead on the website, we can see that यहाँ पे इनके 3 options हैं for digital marketing courses. One is the marketing expert course. So यहाँ पे this is 3 months with 2 months of internship. This is extra apart from the course duration. The module of the course is like general, which is offered by all the institutes, or which I should say is the necessity for digital marketing. But what I see different is automation. Automation I have seen the curriculum of many institutes की वो automation का module offer नहीं करते हैं. They only teach you basics, which is Google Ads, Facebook Ads, social media, SEO, ये सब basic modules है. This is a must of digital marketing. But automation है, interview preparation है, these are different things which I think sets apart IIM skills from other institutes. Next level की अगर हम बात करें तो apart from everything basic, they are giving you knowledge of AI and also knowledge of ads on OTT platform and native advertisements, which is not being covered by any institute at the moment. एंड ऑल्सो लीडरशिप प्रोग्राम की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो बेसिक प्रोग्राम से लीडरशिप प्रोग्राम में ओनली 2 to 3 months का डिफरेंस है. सो ओनली इन एडिशनल 3-4 months you will be learning डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी क्रिएशन. सो अगर आप जॉब नहीं करना चाहते, अगर आप खुद का बिजनेस नहीं करना चाहते, एज एन आपने अपने बिजनेस में डिजिटल मार्केटिंग नहीं यूज करना चाहते, बट आप एजेंसी सेटअप करना चाहते हो, you always want to set up your own digital marketing agency. So this level of course is going to teach you how you can set up your own agency, which is I think hardly done by any institute. They give you the course knowledge, they give you the concept knowledge, but agency creation का struggle हर स्टूडेंट अपने आप ही करता है या हर प्रोफेशनल अपने आप करता है. सो IIM Skills is offering you an agency creation module also. Then data driven decisions by Power BI. तो वो आपको एनालिटिक्स डेटा की नॉलेज भी दे रहे हैं इन एडिशन टू द topics which support your running of the business, like support your agency. अगर आप फाइनेंस की बात करो, बजट की बात करो, कुछ भी, the supporting modules are also being taught to you. And if I talk about the course fees, and if I talk about this course, it is 60,000 plus GST. And if I talk about this agency creation, it is 1,20,000 plus GST. So if I see the difference between the two, बहुत ज्यादा major difference नहीं है, and the knowledge that they are giving you is like is on a great level. So I think double triple knowledge है, and उसके according fees is completely justified, or I would not say is on the higher end. Moving ahead, they are offering you like two levels of batches, two types of batches, Saturday and weekdays. So they have Saturday 10 to 1 in the morning, and weekdays they have evening batches, which in itself shows कि ये course जो है working professional, housewife, students सबके लिए completely suitable है. Moving ahead, तीनों levels of courses का duration and fees, EMI plan सब कुछ mentioned है. You can check with the institute also about the further details. Then what are the tools being covered, उसका एक description है. What I see different here is कि apart from the regular tools, they are giving you good analytics tools. Analytics हर प्लेटफॉर्म का डिफरेंट एनालिटिक्स सिखाया जा रहा है, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो टीचिंग यू अबाउट AI टूल्स, विच इज अगेन आई सेड अ नेसेसिटी एंड नॉट एन ऑप्शन. आप यहाँ पे फिर एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया चेक कर सकते हो, एडमिशन प्रोसेस चेक कर सकते हो, केस स्टडीज एंड ऑल दिस डिटेल्स आर गिवन टू यू. देन दे आर गिविंग यू एश्योर्ड इंटर्नशिप, जैसे मैंने पहले भी बात की, दे आर गिविंग यू एश्योर्ड इंटर्नशिप अप टू 20,000 रुपीज. सो दैट इज अगर आप कोर्स फीस पे करते हो, कोई भी लेवल का कोर्स करते हो आप तीनों में से, एंड यू आर गेटिंग इंटर्नशिप अप टू 20,000 रुपीज. So you are not only getting the concept knowledge, the hands-on experience, but you are also getting a part of your fees as a refund by doing this internship. So this is completely win-win situation for any person who opts this course. Then इनके hiring partners यहाँ पे listed हैं, and I can see some amazing companies, also Fortune 500 companies have been listed here in the hiring partners. So आप इसके बारे में और डिटेल इंस्टीट्यूट से पता कर सकते हो. मूविंग अहेड, इनके कौन कौन से सर्टिफिकेशंस आपको दिए जाएंगे फ्रॉम द इंस्टीट्यूट, फ्रॉम गूगल, HubSpot, मेटा. So these certifications always add an extra value to your resume, and these set you apart from any other candidate. Then past placements कौन सी रही हैं, students have been placed into what institutes, what kind of job roles, and also आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो that students have given their review, the alumni have given their review, and if you in case doubt कि ये reviews factual है कि नहीं, कितने trustworthy हैं, तो आप गूगल पे जाके, you can go on Google and you can search for Trustpilot IIM Skills, and यहाँ पे आप देखोगे Trustpilot is a website which only puts up reviews which are trustworthy, या फिर वो verify करते हैं. So यहाँ पे IIM Skills के 419 reviews हैं, and 4.6 rating है from the maximum reviews. So an average of 4.6 reviews, 4.6 rating is pretty good, and maximum reviews और rating is like 5 star और 4 star. और यहाँ पे आप रिव्यूज की या रेटिंग की ऑथेंटिसिटी चेक कर सकते हो, that what are students saying about the digital marketing course from IIM Skills. So अगर हम बात करें about IIM Skills, so all in all it's a win-win situation. आपको सब कुछ एडवांस लेवल पे सिखा रहे हैं, the tools, the fees, agency creation, so everything is being covered. Now moving ahead to the next institute. The next institute that I will be talking about is DigiPerform. So I am on the DigiPerform website, and as you can see, they are also offering online digital marketing professional course. And यहाँ पे अगर हम आगे देखें, they are again giving you a course brochure, so आप brochure ले सकते हो. They are giving you details about fees कितनी है, क्या क्या assignments cover होंगे, and इनके batches weekdays पे हैं. So they do not have a weekend option, which I think is a limitation अगर हम working professionals की बात करें या स्टूडेंट्स जो कि रेगुलर कॉलेज जाते हैं, सो उनके लिए थोड़ा सा लिमिटेशन हो जाती है, बट यू कैन ऑलवेज चेक विद द इंस्टीट्यूट की बैच के और क्या ऑप्शंस हैं. मूविंग अहेड, यहाँ पे उन्होंने कोर्स करिकुलम कंप्लीटली लिस्ट किया है कि क्या क्या मॉड्यूल्स कवर होंगे. एंड आई सी कि रेगुलर कोर्स मॉड्यूल है विच इज बीइंग ऑफर्ड बाय एवरी इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन है, अगेन यू कैन आस्क देम कि किस लेवल तक दे आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अबाउट इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन. इज इट गोइंग टू बी मॉक और आर दे गोइंग टू हेल्प यू prepare till you get through an interview. So ये आपको check करना चाहिए इंस्टीट्यूट से. Then who can do this course, all of this you can check. What are the key skills that you are going to learn, तो क्या क्या hands on experience आपको मिलेगा वो आप यहाँ पे check कर सकते हो. Projects and case studies, course fees, support, then success stories. Again students are talking about their reviews about the digital marketing course, and I can see 4 and 5 star rating. But again to check the authenticity, it is always a good idea कि आप Google या Trustpilot पे इनके reviews check करो. So वो आप खुद कर सकते हो. एंड मूविंग अहेड, यहाँ पे आप ब्रोशर डाउनलोड कर सकते हो या कॉन्टैक्ट करके इनसे डिटेल्स ले सकते हो अबाउट further details. So they also give in course internship. So course duration में ही internship है, but you will have to check कि paid internship है या only knowledge based internship है. Then practical sessions, live sessions कितने होंगे और या recordings होंगी. So all of this will have to be checked by you as a student on your own. And I would say all in all, it is a good institute to go for a digital marketing course. But then again, the decision depends upon you. As an expert in the industry, मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक डाला है to what I think is the best digital marketing course. Don't forget to check it out, and I will see you in the next week. Thank you.